Former head of state, General Yakubu Gowon, retired, has called for a total overhaul of the tertiary healthcare institution through partnership with the private sector. General Gowon made this call at an event marking the 50th anniversary of the University of Benin Teaching Hospital in Benin City, Edo State. Paul Izenwa reports.
It is sad that many avoidable deaths have been recorded due to different challenges such as overworked medical personnel, insufficient budgetary allocation, amongst many others. In the wake of this, the special guest, General Yakubu Gowon, and other keynote speakers say proper policy for more functional model to financing healthcare must be put in place. According to them, government alone can no longer bear the burden of costs needed to drive quality healthcare service.
Let us work together to build a healthcare system that is accessible, affordable, and equitable for all.
Emphasis must now be focused on health financing. Government alone can no longer carry the bulk of the cost of providing healthcare services, particularly when you note that there are now more private providers of healthcare services than public providers.
We also want to increase and rationalize our health financing strategies, because all of this would not be possible without healthcare financing.
They explained that the healthcare landscape is constantly evolving and effort must be made to adapt to meet the needs confronting patients.
We must tackle, number one, hunger and nutrition. Number two, health and well-being. Number three, quality education. And make these the three vital people-oriented pillars of a national and subnational revival.
I can see fulfillment and I can see gratitude to God for taking that decision 50 years ago. And I think it's a message to all of us that when we are given privilege to preside over anything that has to do with the will of the people, we should take the right decisions like this.
Today is not just about celebration, it's also about recommitting ourselves as leaders, as staff, to achieving our vision, which is making UBTH the number one provider of quality healthcare solutions in West Africa.
The consensus here is that a strong, resilient health system is the first and best in line of defense against pandemic and public health challenges. Paul Izenwa, TVC News, Benin.